Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need admin rights and an updated Windows 11 build. Once confirmed, open settings immediately with Win+I to save time. You're going straight to personalization because theme controls live there. Click Personalization, then select Colors. This is the primary control surface where Windows applies dark versus light modes. While you're here, make sure Accent and Transparency settings won't reintroduce dark elements later. Once done, you're ready to change the base app and system theme in the next slide. Now focus on the two-mode controls. Under Colors, find Choose Your Mode and set it to Light. This toggles both Windows shell and app surfaces. If you need granular control, set Default Windows Mode to Light and Default App Mode to Light separately so File Explorer and UWP apps follow. If dark accents remain, turn off transparency effects and pick a light accent color. Make sure high contrast themes aren't active. Once these changes apply, visual elements should switch to light immediately. To finalize, sign out or restart to ensure all apps and Explorer adopt the new light settings. Some processes need a reload to refresh UI resources. If dark theme persists, you may be under a group policy or registry override. Open gpedit. MSC or regedit only if you have permission and follow safe backup steps before editing. If settings UI lacks theme options, use the settings search for theme or check for third-party theming tools. Troubleshooting tip: revert recent customization apps, then retry the settings changes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.